Good morning. Time check. 4:50. 4:52. Warm up. Bago mag-easy run. Ito pala yung aking 361 degrees. Ayan. Basic running shoes kasi easy run lang tayo today. Nandito ako sa BF. Sayang hindi ako naka 1K, 2K, 3K, okay. Pero 4.82 kilometers. Heart rate 138, 139. Pace 9 minutes. Easy pace. Good morning. Ito pala mag-running vlogger. Mag-running vlogger na lang kaya ako. Takbo na. Done na for today's running video. Total kilometers 7.2. Average pace 8 minutes and 57 seconds. Yung 7.2 equivalent to 4.5 miles. So, yun ang nasa training plan natin for today. So, yun lang. Late na ako. Kailangan ko na maligo. Okay. That's it for today's video. Running video. Follow for more.